So a child walks into the ER, they're feverish, drooling, leaning forward just to breathe. That's a tripod position. That's a red flag for epiglottitis. It's a dangerous condition that's caused by Haemophilus influenza type B. It causes inflammation and swelling of the epiglottis, During inspiration, negative pressure fills the swollen tissue inward and produces inspiratory stridor. Okay, so that's like a really buzzy word for USMLE. So inspiratory stridor, high fever, tripod positioning is going to be life-threatening epiglottitis. Haemophilus influenzae is the culprit, especially in undervaccinated children. Okay, so the tripod positioning, leaning forward, chin up, the airway so they can breathe a little bit better, inspiratory stridor. So basically what's happening is they're doing this because there's edema of the epiglottis, and that causes a laryngeal obstruction, and that leads to the inspiratory stridor. So the epiglottis is obstructing the airway because of that influenza, and so that's why they need to breathe the way that they do. So 5-year-old unvaccinated boy, high fever, drooling difficulty, neck extended, his chin is extended. What breath sound would you hear? Inspiratory stridor. Wheezing would be lower airway, like asthma, typically expiratory, not stridor. Bronchi, that'd be secretions of the bronchi. Low pitched, typically not acute, epiglottitis. Expiratory stridor, that's not going to be seen here. So inspiratory stridor is just like super pathopneumonic for these conditions. So definitely be on the lookout. I think on the UWorld there was like almost everybody answers this question right. But asymmetric breath sounds, that'd be like your foreign body aspirations or a pneumothorax. All right, so yeah, that's the high yield points for this condition. So if this is helpful, then like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.